how to create a coloring book in Canva. Open your preferred internet browser and head over to Canva by typing canva.com and hit enter. Once you're on Canva, you'll need a design page to work with. Go ahead and open a new design page or use one you've previously created. Next, go to the Apps section and in the search bar, type the word Coloring Book, just like I'm doing here, and hit enter. Now click on the Coloring Book app to access its settings. You'll see a text box where you need to enter a text prompt to create your designs. To make things easy, you can use the Try an Example button to generate a sample text prompt for you. Go ahead and click it. You'll get a prompt text, for instance, a cozy living room with a fireplace and a bookshelf. Feel free to craft your own prompt if you have something specific in mind. Once you're happy with your prompt, hit the Generate button. Now sit tight for a moment while Canva works its magic. As you can see, the Coloring Book app has created images based on your prompt. They look fantastic and they're ready to be used. You're free to generate as many designs as you like and explore your creative designs.